Hi there, friends. I'm Tiko. I live here in this big, beautiful jungle. I want to tell you a special story about how I met a tiny yellow bird named Tweet and how it changed everything. We went on a big adventure together and we made new friends, helped each other, and even found something very special. Want to see what happens? Come with me and let's start our journey.
Once upon a time, in a big green jungle, there was a cute green chameleon named Tiko.
What a beautiful morning in the jungle. What should I do today? What is that? Let's go and find out. I think the sound coming from here. Hey, what happened? Why you are crying?
I'm crying because I lost my way.
Don't worry. I'll help you find your nest. Really? You're so kind.
They began looking around to find the bird's home.
I think I hear a bird nearby. Do you hear it too? Let's see here.
Yee, you found it. Thank you, Tiko.
Yay! Yeah, we found them.
Thanks, Tiko, again. You are so kind.
Anytime, little buddy. Friends help each other. Now you can fly and go to your home.
Sure, I'm so happy I found my home. And a very kind friend, too. By Tiko.
Glad you came back home safe.
Glad you came back home safe.
Thank you for the help.
Appreciate it.
Goodbye, Tiko. See you soon.
No problem. Bye, little buddy. Time to rest now. Today was such a good and busy day.